this video, we take a look at how easy it is to make payments to staff in addition to their regular salary or allowances. These payments are represented in Cube as earnings. Earnings are periodic, fluctuating payments which include payments like service charge, bonuses, and commission. To add an earning amount for a single employee, go to the Employees page and select Payroll, Payroll Data, Earning Amounts. Select the Add Earning Amount button. Then select the pay period on which you wish to make the payment. Include any relevant comments for the payment. Select the earning type being paid. Enter the amount to be paid. Select type of job and activity being performed. This feature allows businesses to track their project costs and also help with budgeting. You can add multiple earning amounts for an employee within the same pay period by clicking on the Add Amount button. Select Submit when done.